Hey there, digital navigators. Struggling to climb Google's search ladder? Let's dive into some quick SEO tips to boost your website's visibility. Number 1, research keywords. Use tools like SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner to find trending keywords. Remember, it's not just about the words, but topics too. Number 2, related keywords matter. Google your topic and check out the related searches at the bottom of the page for some extra inspiration. Number 3, craft a catchy key phrase. Think top 5 deadliest animals instead of just animals. It's about precision and relevance. Number 4, place your key phrase strategically. Include it in your title, meta description, URL, and opening paragraph. SEO plugins can help you nail this down. 5, headline brevity is key. Readers often scan the first and last 3 words. 6, content length counts. Aim for posts that take 3 to 6 minutes to read, but don't fluff it up. Keep it meaningful and concise. Number 7, get creative with headlines. Top 5 foods to save your life beats top 5 foods any day. Number 8, use power words. Words like discover, exclusive, and secrets can increase your headline's emotional marketing value. 9, master the art of linking. Internal links will keep your readers engaged, while external links should open in new tabs to keep your site in view. 10, update old posts with new links. It's a win-win for navigation and SEO. Number 11, don't forget the visuals. Posts with images get more clicks, and don't forget to optimize them for faster loading. Number 12, organize with categories. Make your site user-friendly with a well-sorted menu, boosting both navigation and rankings. 13, leverage social media. Use plugins like Blog to Social to share your content across platforms and save precious time. These SEO tips are just the beginning. Keep sharing, keep researching, and don't be afraid to show off your site. Your hard work deserves the spotlight.